Let's see how you can easily maximize your lead generation efforts using a simple QR code chatbot automation. So here the idea is to ask the customers to scan a specific QR code, and from there you can easily collect specific customer details, assign chats to specific agents, send them or offer them different products or services as well. So here I have already created a demo flow right here. So let me go to the flow section over here and show you the specific flow we just created for the QR code demo right here. So here this is the flow looks like. Hi, thanks for scanning the QR code. So this is the first message which will be sent to the customer when they actually scan the QR code. We are giving a free guide that shows how to get better results further. You want to get it. So here when they say yes, send me, and from here we simply ask them to provide their email address over here, and then we actually send them the specific guide to their email right here, and then we actually offer them a specific consultation call as well. So if they say yes, we simply ask them to provide them a specific link to book the specific call as well, and then we wait 23 hours and simply follow up and ask them whether they actually book the consultation or not. So here, if you want to create a QR code for this specific chatbot flow, you can actually do that right here. So here, as you can see here, all these chatbot flows or messages are created using the message type omnichannel. So this will simply work on multiple channels right here. For example, it will work on the Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and web chat and other channels too. So here, since we have created this using the omnichannel, you can actually use the QR code tool right here and create a common QR code as well. So what happens is that when customers scan that specific QR code, they will be prompted to choose the preferred channels they want to initiate the conversation. For example, they can choose any channel like Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and other channels right there. Alright, so here you have to come to the marketing tools over here and choose QR code generator and simply choose the specific flow, QR code chatbot demo. So that is the flow name right here, as you can see here, QR code chatbot demo. Alright, choose that and click on generate. So since this particular flow is in the omnichannel, it will actually generate a QR code that can simply work on multiple channels, and it will provide the option for the customers to choose the channel they want to chat on right there. Alright, so that's how it's gonna work. So here, if you scan this QR code, let me show what happens over here. Let me scan this QR code. It simply asks me to open in a specific browser. So let's see what happens over here. So it opens the chatting media and it provide all these channels option for the customers to initiate the chat right there. So let me choose one channel over here. For example, let me choose web chat over here. So web chat, where we can chat directly in the website right here. So here it simply send me the first message we set up right here in the browser itself. So I didn't choose other channels. So here it simply asks me to provide the free guide right there. So let me say yes, send me, and it simply asks me to provide the email address, and from here it will simply move towards this specific flow we have right here. So once they provide the email, it will send them an email and then push them to book the specific consultation call as well. So here in this example, it shows all the channels for the customers, and then the customer choose one of the channel to initiate the chat as well. But you can also force this QR code automation for a specific channel as well, even though you have created this in the omnichannel as well. For example, what you can do is you can actually get a published link over here where you can choose the channel right here. For example, if you want this to happen only in the Facebook Messenger, you can choose this option right here, Facebook Messenger over here, and copy the link. So this is the specific chat link of this specific flow for the Facebook Messenger, and for this specific chat link or the flow link, you can actually also create the QR codes as well. So again, you have to go to the marketing tools. So previously we created the QR code commonly code generator for the specific flow, but since we have got the specific link for the Facebook Messenger, you can use this magic link right here and simply create a QR code. So here the URL will be the specific Facebook link over here, and let me say QR code demo. All right, and this one actually for the specific Facebook Messenger. So here you see m.me links right here, which works for the Facebook Messenger, and here you can click on get QR code. So this is the QR code specifically designed for the Messenger right here. So if a particular customer scan this QR code, they will taken directly to the Facebook page and initiate the chat over there, because we defined this particular QR code should work only in this specific Facebook Messenger using this specific link we have pasted right here. So when it comes to QR code, you can use the QR code generator right here. And if you choose the omni-channel flow right here, where the customers can choose the specific channel they want to initiate the conversation on. Otherwise, you can use this magic link option over here, where you can grab the published link from the flow right here and choose any channel. For example, if you want to create a QR code for the WhatsApp, you can simply choose WhatsApp over here and come back to the marketing tools, magic link over here, and create one for the WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp link, and you can simply add any name over here. So this specific QR code will be the QR code for the WhatsApp automation, but the same flow will run right there. All right. So likewise, actually, you can actually create QR codes as per your requirements right here. And that's a quick video on how you can actually use QR code for your lead generation efforts. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.